Hello and welcome to Italianissimo. Here's a secret that most language apps won't tell you. Italian is a phonetic language. That means it's written exactly how it sounds. If you can see it, you can say it. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. By the end of this video, you'll be able to read a menu, a street sign, or a classic novel with perfect Roman flair, even if you don't know what the words mean yet. But don't just watch. Shadow me. Repeat out loud, lean into the sounds, and let's get your mouth moving. Ready? Andiamo!
In English, vowels are unpredictable. In Italian, they are your best friends. They never change. Let's master the big five. Ah, like the ah in father. Think open and relaxed. Casa. Artista. This one is a bit of a chameleon. It can be open like bed, bello, vento, or closed like the A in say. Verde. Penna. Forget the I in ice. In Italian, it's always E, like machine. Lira. Pizza. Notice how it's not pizza, it's pizza. O. Open like not. Posta. Opera. Or closed like fort. Totale. Somma. U. Always U like rule. Turista. Luna. Now let's talk about the letters that like to play games. C and G. They change depending on who they're hanging out with. If C or G are before E or I, they stay soft and Italian sounding. C becomes ci, cena, dinner. G becomes J, gelato. The only word you really need, right? But if they are before A, O, U, or H, they get hard. C becomes a K sound. Casa. Key. G becomes a hard G. Gatto. And here is a pro tip. The letter H in Italian is a silent bodyguard. It's there to protect the hard sound, but it never makes a sound itself. It's totally silent. Let's level up. These combinations are what make Italian sound so, well, Italianissimo. GLI is the soft li sound. Think of the middle of the word million. Figli. GN like the NY in canyon. Bagno. Signora. SC, if it's followed by E or I, it's a sh sound, like she. Scena. If it's followed by anything else, it's a sk sound. Scuola. Now, pay attention to double consonants. In English, we ignore them. In Italian, they change everything. Listen to the difference. Pala, shovel, versus palla, ball. Carro, deer, versus carro, cart. Hold that consonant. Give it an extra beat of tension. That's the secret to sounding like a local. Time for your final test. Let's go on a virtual tour of Italy. Repeat after me. Aosta, Genova, Trento, Venezia, Firenze, Siena, Napoli, Palermo, Torino, Roma, Capri, San Gimignano. Watch that GN. Fantastic work. Remember, fluency isn't about being perfect, it's about being brave. Don't worry about the occasional mistake. Just keep speaking, keep repeating, and keep immersing yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our Italianissimo community. Alla prossima! Until next time. Ciao for now.